Hi, I'm Katrin from Free Traffic Cashflow, and this video is about how to protect your Facebook account from spammers. Spammers on Facebook are people who are tagging their friends in their posts and pictures about their business opportunities. Uh, this way they are targeting not only you, but also everyone who can see your timeline, which is pretty much annoying. And here is how to stop those spammers easily. To do it, you have to go to settings, choose settings, and then go to privacy. And here is review all your posts and things you are tagged in. Turn on use activity log. Then go to timeline and tagging. Who can post on your timeline? Turn on only me. Then review posts friends tag you in before they appear on your timeline. Turn this on. And then review tags people add to your own posts before their tags appear on Facebook. Turn this one too on. And now you have full control over what appears on your timeline, and you can say farewell to spammers. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.